Well, hello, my friends. Welcome to the room. The bench is right there. We'll be there in a second. Just a quick video. This is not the video I wanted to make. I wanted to make the clear over chrome, but the chrome I'm going to be using in that video is not quite out yet. It's coming in this week, and I don't want to show a product that you can't link on and buy, even though it says put your email and we'll tell you when it comes in, which will be if all goes to plan this week. So I'm hoping the next video is that video, because I tested that clear over that chrome. Now for that video, we are going to test a bunch. I think I sprayed at least 6 different brands of chrome. I got them over here on a shelf, all my chromes, and I just grabbed 6, and they usually have the same type of formula, you know. So I think I did green stuff well, but we'll go through that. We're going to spray and see if this clear works, and if it does, we're on to something. The chrome, it's right here, is just it's beautiful. I mean, look at that. So you guys are going to be happy with this. I might be able to put my name on this. We're going to find out soon. But for now, it is coming out this week. Big bottle too. But the reason why I'm here is because I want to tell you about new products that are coming, and I'm going to show you how much money the channel earns, you know, to a point. I'm going to show you a video that's been a while. It has a lot of views, and how much money that video has earned, because I got a bunch of people telling me to stop shilling these products. I've become a selling channel. And 2, I asked a company, Tropical Glitz. Tropical Glitz, it's a paint company. Kind of looks like my Mecha Empire Copper Fire. It looks like that. If you've seen the ads, it's all over. If you look at painting and building, it's all over Instagram. That's where I saw him. So I just put underneath, he was showing new airbrush colors or something. I said, you want to send a few my way? I'll test them. It's some big bloviated statement from some guy accusing us YouTubers as making a fortune out of free products. So I told the guy, I says, I'm actually doing a video on how much the channel earns, and the fact that I purchased 95% of everything I've reviewed here. You know, I think Gallery sends me a few products because I have a partnership with them with my airbrush, and I think Robot Kai, she sends me a few products. Bella, great woman, and she, of course, makes my other products. Everybody else doesn't send any of this stuff. All those compressors I just reviewed, I have to buy them. So you're not going to believe how little the channel actually earns when I show you this. And I'm going to show you some of the products that are coming out now. Unfortunately, all the products seem to be coming out at the same time of year these last few months. And I think it's because they go into development early in the year, and it takes about 10 months. And it always lands right around the end of the year. It's all done within a year's time. But I seem to do it, in winter, and it ends up coming out in the fall. That's just how it is. I got an airbrush, a sequel to the Swallowtail coming out for Black Friday. That'll be the furthest away of a product coming out. I got a bunch of other stuff coming soon. That's on the bench. We're going to face that way in a second. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys quick. I'm sorry, I did want to do that other video. That product is going to come in. I do have other videos I could have shot, but I literally just came home and I decided I did want to make this video to show you guys how much the channel earns, in a roundabout way. Most of it goes to taxes. Everything you earn, you just cut the tax, you just cut the check and give it to the tax man. That's what it comes around to. But anyway, as I said, it's a quick video, so let's we're going to flip the camera. I'm going to show you some of my new products coming very soon, but I'm going to show you what one of my videos with around 50,000 views, it's been up for about 2 or 3 years, how much that has earned the Barbatos-Rex channel. So let me pause this camera. Let's flip this around back to the magical bench this way. And what's behind me here? I blocked my wall. I got Grandizer. Can you see him? Beautiful, beautiful figure. I think he lights up and everything. Maybe I'll do a video on some of my figures. This Firelord just came in. That's a model. Just going over the packaging. Beautiful stuff. Anyway, let me flip this camera. Let's pause this. We'll flip around. Let me get the camera set up, and let's go forward with the rest of this here video. All right, here we are at the bench. Some of my new products are coming. I laid them out right here. But first, we're going to pull up my phone here. And I screen grabbed one of my videos, the analytics on that video. My new phone stays on all the time. Can you see this? It's a Galaxy S25 Ultra. Here's my Gundam screensaver. So let's go ahead and fire this up and get right to it. All right, here we go. Airbrushing a car model with real auto paint and 2K clear. That model came out awesome. So anyway, there we go. It's public. Monetization is on, so we can earn money. No restrictions. Standard def, high def. It's been published August 2022. We're looking at 3 years, just over 3 years. All right, analytics, 47,700 views. We are just under 50,000 views, which is good for me. A lot of my videos, 5, 10,000 is all I do tops. I average, I think, 5,000 views here on the channel. It's not a big channel. We're not Mr. Beast here. But, I'm in my own little world. I work a day job. All right, here we go. It's estimated revenue. This video has earned me $312 in 3 years with 50,000 views, which is a good video for me. So wrap that up, stretch that out. What the hell is that? $10 a month, I think. And some of the other ones, the lower ones are way less than this. So I don't even think 10 grand is coming in. I got to cut half of it for taxes. So you figured it's like 5 grand. So excuse me while I pause this, and I got to run over to Italy and pick up my Ferrari, custom painted, of course, with the money that is rolling into the channel. I purchased most of everything you've seen here. You've seen my wall. Let me grab the camera stand. SMS, that's from Australia. I just went on the website and clicked all of them off, took out a credit card and bought all the colors. All the splashes I've had for, I think, 4 years. Look at the top. It's all finishers. I've never even done a video on finishers yet because they're hard to get. I don't like doing a video for you guys for stuff that's hard to get. It's just not right. So that's why I haven't done that video yet, even though that is good paint. Trying to get the camera back here. So yeah, that is the crux of the video. I'm going to show the whole world how much a video with 50,000 views makes. And that is in, there we go, in 3 years. Over 3 years. 3 years and a few months. And then that has slowed down because it's been out so long, and it becomes a legacy video where people might stumble on it through a search. But anyway, that is that. All right, so coming up soon for my new releases, I have this beautiful, simple tool set. It's going to have a knife in it and a single blade nipper. Real high quality nipper. Beautiful metal knife blade, knife handle with blades. Ceramic blades will be coming out, standard and double-sided for a scraper. All right, all this, look at this. We'll go over this. It's got a beautiful scraper to clean the edges of your model, and the standard ceramic blades, real sharp too. I'm not going to unbox this. We'll show you when it comes out. There's the two. One's the blade, one is the nippers. The nippers are beautiful. A nice basic set with a knife and a nipper, which is pretty much all you need if you're going to build a Gundam right out of the box. So that is coming very soon. Also, very soon, my military colors. I got over 30 of them. Some of them are federal standard. You'll see marine green, number 23. But then you'll see this gray, FS, federal standard. So there's going to be a bunch of federal standards. When people ask, is it FS? That's what it means. It's a federal standard government color, so it's an official color. It's NATO dark green, which is a standard color, but not a federal color. I only grabbed a few bottles here so you guys can see how some of them are federal standard. That's an official color. Another one, gunship gray, but it's federal standard, 36118. These are enamels. These brush on and airbrush on. And a beautiful direct replacement for Model Master testers, which has been off the market since Rust-Oleum bought them and cut the whole damn paint line out. God knows why. Also coming, I'm showing you for the first time the full line here. sunshine yellow, clear violet, blood red, ruby red, dark forest green, clear sienna brown, clear tangerine, clear light green. These are all clears, by the way. I should have mentioned that. Clear light green, clear sky blue, clear sapphire blue. These are my new candy clear colors, and they're also coming out, I think, in a month. And I've been experimenting with them. These are beautiful. You guys are going to love these. And also coming soon, we're aiming for Black Friday, my new airbrush. And I have shown that off. You've seen on the channel already. I probably have a picture in here, but we're showing a higher quality picture to you guys anyway. And yeah, that is it. That is the point of the video. I just wanted to show you guys quick. I'm see if I can find, while I'm talking to you guys, a picture of the... Do you guys see this giant... He's about 15, 20 feet tall. This is at the local Lowe's. You could buy this whole thing for your yard. They animate. Can you believe this? How do you store this thing? Man, people go crazy on that kind of stuff. But anyway, that is the video. I did find a picture of my airbrush. They sent me this from the manufacturer. Yes, we'll reveal the name very soon. Yes, my name's going to be engraved on it. And it's a modular piece. Very nice. Look at that. So excited for you guys to get your hands on this. It will be on Black Friday. But that's why this product's coming out. And let me go a little more detail here. Because with these products, like the airbrush and whatnot, I might get 10% of the sale. Same thing with all these products. It's not much, but it rolls in. It's a little more than YouTube. And with that, I can kind of keep the channel going with Patreon and keep buying these supplies. All I do is buy the supplies, keep the channel rolling. I love the channel. It's become a wonderful hobby for me. Before, my hobby was mostly music and video games, but I've drifted away from video games. But my wife Judy has taken over that spot. She loves her games, and she's really good at it. I mean, she was good at Elden Ring. What does that tell you? So she took over. But I'm still up to date on my games. I just don't have the time to play them. But anyway, that's what's going on. I have a day job. I shop and deliver all day, and I come home and get stuff done for the channel throughout the week, and I put up a video. I try to get 2 videos, and that's the goal, and that's what's going on. All right, guys. I also have a beautiful, different video coming up for this SMS. A fan wrote me and says you should see what this paint looks like over different colors, and I happen to have this bright gold, and it's a little bit translucent, and you sprayed it over red and green. I said, oh, wow, look, really unique. So I grabbed it off the shelf, and I'm laying down some base colors, you know, this over like red. And it's really a great, great swath of colors. So I'm planning on that for a video. That'd be a nice, unique video, you know. But I'm going to try and get that clear over chrome video up next. All I'm waiting for is that chrome to come in. And you guys are going to like it quite a bit, because I do. And it just worked great with the clear on top. We're going to find out if it works for all the other ones. I did all clad. I sprayed a whole bunch of chrome SMS. So we'll see how that clear works on all of those. But anyway, let me get back to my music. And as you saw in the background, I'm still sorting out. I bought a collection of metal from somebody, and he had a bunch of stuff. I'm still sorting it A through Z, and boy, it takes a long time. But I pulled out an oldie but goodie, Boston's first album, Sabaton, and a new album coming out next month. You know, Ryan's Reign, I think it was a one and done. Symphonic metal, really good stuff. Anyway, guys, there you go. That's the video. That is how much the channel makes. These are some of the new products that are coming. And sorry I couldn't do a test video today. I was going to, but the next video, I mean, if I get word that the paint comes in tomorrow, I'll put up the video tomorrow, Tuesday, Wednesday. It's going to go up. And if I get close to the release of it, I'll put it up then too, when I get word. So there you go, guys. Thanks for sitting through this bit of a boring video, but thank you guys so much. Like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, hit the notification bell so you know when we put up a new video. And thank you so much. Have a great rest of your weekend. God bless you all. You guys are awesome. Have a great day.